Now what we're going to do is go ahead and make the marinade for our squash. Need about a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Go ahead and put the rest of the seasoning in there. Our rosemary. Go ahead and put our parsley in there. And about a pinch or 2 of our Parmesan. I just want to mix that up. We've mixed it all up, but I actually want to add a little bit more olive oil to this. So go ahead and put another dash in there. So I guess about a 1/2 cup would work to start off with. And just want to mix that around, and there you go.